So I know this plant is Thai ginger, and so I've used it more from cooking. So my understanding is you can use it pretty much the same way that you would use ginger root. Galangal is going to be has more of a bitter component on the back end, so it finishes that way. And it's considered pungent and warm, but not hot, where ginger root is considered more hot. And yes, Sebastian does use galangal. So, you know, this can be in tea blends as well for any type of gas, bloating, nausea. You can use it for morning sickness, just almost very similar to ginger root. In the respiratory, asthma, cough, colds, your first stages can be used to help with fevers. It's a really good circulatory stimulant, kind of moves the blood around.